Ashish Gupta. I am Director of Natural Chem Organics Private Limited. We are into manufacturing and exports of menthol and its allied products. Our manufacturing unit is based out of Barabanki near Lucknow, and we are into manufacturing of specialized chemicals where we supply to the buyers in across various regions in US and Europe. And we are really thankful to India SME Forum for organizing such a wonderful event, and which has helps us in promoting entrepreneurship. And this is a testament to the hard work that has been given by us and our team. And once again, we are very thankful to India SME Forum for giving us this award, and we are looking forward to contributing towards the growth of this industry. Thank you.
Take it.